QuickBooks' direct Shopify integration has serious problems. Users constantly report data loss during transfers, poor product and inventory mapping, and unreliable sync functionality. The result? You think you're automated, but you're actually creating more work for yourself, trying to fix all of the mess. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to record Shopify sales in QuickBooks Online using an automation tool that's revolutionizing how Shopify sellers handle their accounting. Simply connecting Shopify to QuickBooks isn't enough to keep your finances accurate. Without proper account mapping and transaction categorization, you end up with mismatched data, reporting errors, and hours spent manually correcting entries. That's exactly why Link My Books exists, to provide the reliable, accurate automation that QuickBooks' native integration simply can't deliver. The best part? You can start a 14-day trial for free and set this up by following this video. The link is in the description. The complete 5-step process. Let me walk you through exactly how to set up automated Shopify QuickBooks recording with Link My Books. This process takes about 15 minutes and it will save you hours every week going forward. Step 1. Start your free trial of Link My Books. Head over to linkmybooks.com and start your 14-day free trial. This trial gives you full access to all features, so you can experience the complete automation before committing. During these 14 days, you'll see exactly how much time and frustration Link My Books saves you. You can even set up a demo account if you're not ready to connect your Shopify store right away. Step 2. Connect your Shopify and QuickBooks accounts. Once you're signed in, Link My Books will prompt you to connect both platforms. Simply select Shopify and QuickBooks from the options and follow the authorization prompts. This secure connection allows Link My Books to automatically pull your Shopify sales data and prepare it for accurate entry into QuickBooks. Every sale, fee, tax amount, and refund will be imported and mapped correctly. Step 3. Complete the guided setup wizard. This is where Link My Books really shines. The setup wizard guides you through mapping each type of Shopify transaction into the correct QuickBooks accounts. You'll map sales, revenue, discounts, shipping fees, taxes, and payment processing fees to their proper categories. Link My Books suggests intelligent defaults, but you can customize everything to match your specific chart of accounts. This setup is crucial because it determines how your Shopify data is categorized in QuickBooks, keeping your books organized and tax compliant. Step 4. Choose automatic or manual sync. Link My Books gives you control over how transactions are processed. Automatic sync. Perfect for hands-off automation. Link My Books continuously updates QuickBooks with your latest Shopify data in real time. Manual sync. Ideal if you prefer to review entries before they're posted. You can approve each sales summary before it hits your books. Most sellers choose automatic sync because the accuracy is so reliable, but the choice is yours. Step 5. One-click payout reconciliation. Here's where Link My Books truly shines. Each Shopify payout is automatically summarized and matched with corresponding QuickBooks entries. When your bank deposit appears, you simply click to reconcile. Everything matches perfectly. No more hunting through individual transactions or trying to figure out why your numbers don't add up. This one feature alone saves most sellers hours every month. How Link My Books makes everything automatic and easy. Let me show you the specific features that make Link My Books the best solution for Shopify QuickBooks integration. Automated sales reconciliation. Every transaction is automatically imported and categorized correctly. Your books stay constantly up to date, without any manual work. Accurate tax calculations. Whether you're dealing with VAT, sales tax, or regional taxes, Link My Books calculates everything automatically based on real-time Shopify data. No more tax compliance worries. Comprehensive financial reporting. Get detailed reports showing profitability, tax liabilities, and business performance, all built specifically for Shopify sellers. Cost of goods tracking. Link My Books tracks your COGS automatically based on your assigned product group costs, so you always know your true profit margins on every sale. Benchmarking features. Compare your store's performance against similar businesses to identify growth opportunities and areas for improvement. Why manual entry is killing your business. Let me be blunt about why manually recording Shopify sales is such a problem. Time waste. Manually entering hundreds or thousands of orders is incredibly time-consuming. You're paying yourself minimum wage to do data entry instead of growing your business. Constant errors. Typos, wrong amounts, incorrect account classifications, human errors are inevitable, and they undermine your financial accuracy. Delayed insights. With manual processes, there's always a lag between sales happening and being recorded. You're making business decisions with outdated information. Inventory problems. Manual entry delays mean your stock levels are never accurate, leading to overselling or missed sales opportunities. Compliance risks. Manual processes create audit trail problems and increase your chances of tax errors. Every successful Shopify seller eventually realizes that manual accounting doesn't scale. The question is, how much time will you waste before you automate? The Link My Books advantage. Here's what makes Link My Books different from every other solution. Built for e-commerce. Unlike generic integrations, Link My Books understands e-commerce complexities like multi-currency sales, complex fee structures, and tax variations. Perfect accuracy. Every transaction maps correctly every time. No more wondering if your books are accurate. Real-time insights. See your profitability, cash flow, and tax obligations in real time, not weeks later. Scalable solution. Whether you're doing $10,000 or $10 million in sales, Link My Books handles the volume without breaking a sweat. Expert support. Get help from former e-commerce sellers and accounting experts who understand your business. Your action plan. Here's what you need to do right now. First, stop wasting time on manual data entry. Every day you delay automation is money lost and stress gained. Second, start your Link My Books free trial today. Install it from the Shopify App Store and experience the automation for yourself. Third, follow the 5-step setup process I just showed you. It takes 15 minutes and will save you hours every week. Fourth, let Link My Books handle your accounting while you focus on what really matters: growing your Shopify business. Remember, successful e-commerce isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Automation isn't just a nice to have anymore, it's essential for any serious Shopify seller. The difference between struggling Shopify sellers and hugely profitable ones often comes down to one thing: automation. While some sellers waste hours every week on manual data entry and worry about accounting accuracy, smart sellers use Link My Books to automate everything and focus on growth. Don't let outdated manual processes hold back your success. The most profitable Shopify sellers aren't just selling better products. They're using better systems. Link My Books eliminates the accounting headache so you can focus on what you do best: building and growing your e-commerce business. I hope this guide showed you exactly how to automate your Shopify QuickBooks integration and why Link My Books is the solution you've been looking for. If it helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify automation tips and business growth strategies. And remember, revenue is vanity, profit is sanity, but accurate automated accounting is how you achieve both. See you next time.